Subhanallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are at Township Line Pizza. Let's give them a try, inshallah. Alright, y'all, we got the food. Let's try, inshallah. Let's see what it looks like. Subhanallah. Alright, y'all. Let's give it a try. Let's try the sliders first. Sure, this John, this ain't no joke, y'all. This John. Subhanallah. Alright, let's give it a try. I'll take y'all bite first. Got my turn. Yo, this John not bad. I like the crunch. Well seasoned, but then the bread ratio. I don't know, I think maybe that's just a signature, but come on. But it's doing good, I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad at all. Y'all like, it's a good ratio. Hot with glaze, hot honey glaze. Let's try the fries. It's trying crazy. Got the glaze. Not really a crunch. That glaze is really doing something now. I'm not explaining. The regular fries, but the glaze just give it another taste. It's not bad. The glaze is good. It's a great addition. Full platter, not that bad. And it was like $17. It's not bad for what you get. 2 fat burgers and a lot of fries. It's not bad at all. Come give it a try, inshallah. Come support, try it, see what you think. But in my opinion, it's not that bad.